pirouette tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a pirouette. So let's go. So the first thing that you want to do when you do a pirouette, you want to make sure you always turn your feet out. That's really important. Turning out your feet is the most important thing when you're just starting a turn. And you always want your feet to be in forward position. Then when you start the turn, you want to plie. So you want to bring your legs from here to here. And you want to step in on your left foot and then plie. And then bring this foot and then keep this foot here. So from here to here. And both feet plie. And then you want to take your arm. Take your right arm, you have it kind of crossed over your torso, and then you want to, so basically you want to have your arms like this. That's how you want to have your arms. You want to have your arms in, basically you want to have your arms in second, but then one of the arms is just wrapping itself around you, not like this, just kind of hovering away from your torso. Just don't try to be so stiff, because then that will never work. Just be like a little flowy, just let go. There. So from here to here, make sure your foot still presses down. So from here to here, you press in, and then you go to releve. And make sure that when you step in, you want to push up on this leg. So you just practice going from here to here to here, and you don't want to press. Well, for me, I'm gonna turn on the left leg, but if you turn on the right leg, it's basically the same thing. Step, press. But if you want to press on the right leg, if you're gonna do this on the right leg, make sure that your arms are over here instead of over here. So if you were to do on this one, same thing. Make sure that the leg that's actually gonna be up. Make sure that doesn't press onto it, even if it's too much weight on your supporting leg. So, releve, and just have it nicely hover next to it. Just like that. Same thing. Have it hovering. Make sure no lazy releve. Just hovering. And then you take the back foot, your back foot. From here, you take your back foot and press off while at the same time making your supporting foot go into releve. So you would press off with this leg at the same time go into releve. And that's how you start a pirouette. It may take you a couple tries, because when you do a turn, it might be hard to get all the way around and still balance. It did take me a couple tries my first try. Just try, and even if you do make it all around, you still have to land perfectly straight. So even if you don't make it all around, then that's okay. Just keep trying, and you'll get it. And that's how you do a pirouette. If you like this video, comment down below what type of turn or what type of dance move I should teach you guys next. And one that has the most votes, I will do in the next video. Maybe I'll teach you how to do elastic horn in the next video, because Alice Cone kind of has something to do with a pirouette. So if you want me to teach you an Alice Cone, just comment down below Alice Cone. And the most Alice and if most of the majority of my fans pick that, then that's what I'll do. Bye.